Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mercedes-Benz Burlington YouTube channel. It's Patrick. Today I have the 2025 CLA 35 AMG. Let's have a closer look and check it out. Over the years, the CLA 35 has become a very popular model for a few reasons. It's a very peppy, fun, go-kart-like sports car. It's a 4-cylinder engine, but it offers 302 horsepower, and there's been fun, different, vibrant colors over the years. For 2025, they have limited the colors. There are a few different white options, like the one you see here. There's also blacks and the grays. There is one matte gray option, but for the fun, vibrant colors, they only have two. They have the Patagonia red and they have the Hyper Blue. I've seen both in person and they both look amazing with some of the night packages and stealth packages. This vehicle is equipped with the night package as well, so you'll see black accents in the wheels and black accents around the windows. You also have it on the mirror caps, which you miss out on if the vehicle is black, so it's a more popular aesthetic package for every color except black, and you have some of those features on the front grille. Let's take a little bit of a look at the front and then I'll show you the back as well. Coming around on the front of the vehicle, in 2024 they updated the headlights, so in 2025 nothing has changed. This is the updated headlight. There's two options that both give you a digital feature, but this is the one that actually slightly moves as you steer the vehicle. Like I said, you also have the night package elements, so around the front here you have black elements in the gloss, and the whole front splitter is in that gloss black as well. Sharing the characteristics of all of our AMGs for 24 and now for 2025 is the new AMG crest on the front, and a very popular feature, people try to replicate it, but they haven't quite gotten it yet, is this AMG specific grille. So one of our most popular features for all of our AMG models, that is on the 35 variant as well as the 45 variant as well. Impressive power numbers out of this 4-cylinder. It is still a turbo, and you do have that 48-volt battery technology, so that gives you a little bit of boost, and it also helps with your fuel economy. Not that you'd be looking for that in an AMG specific model. 302 horsepower, like I said, and everything is tightly put in together here, so you do have the AMG cover here, you still get the Mercedes-Benz star, and you have the AMG crossbar on the top here as well. So the bad news with the wheels for the CLA AMG models is there's only 4 available for the 35. The good news is they're all very beautiful wheels. So this is actually the standard wheel. It looks like one of the most upgraded wheels we've had from previous model years. So this is now the standard. There's 4 total wheel options. Most of them do have a black element, and then there's a specialty AMG wheel that's only available for the CLA 45. So 5 in total if you include the 45 variant, and then all the 4 rather that are available for the 35 are also available for the 45. So a major tell with the AMG specific models for the CLAs is definitely the back. You get a nice wing here. The standard 250 has no wing at all, so that does make it a lot more aggressive. This one is equipped with a stealth package as well, so you have this brushed black or dark chrome decals for the CLA 35, the symbol and the AMG on this side. You also have the dual exhaust, which is different from the regular CLA dual exhaust, and this nice diffuser all in black because you're equipped with the stealth package and the night package. How you open the trunk, you just push in on this beautiful symbol and that pops right open. Inside the trunk, you do have tons of space. It's a little bit of a narrow opening, but it does go back quite deep, and you can pull on both of these levers right here, and that will fold down the seats on the inside, so you do get a nice pass through. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm sitting in the back. I wouldn't sit back here for a long trip. I'm 6 foot even. I can feel the little hairs on the top of my head just touching the roof here. So I can fit in the back. I do have some leg room, but yeah, it's for shorter people, or shorter trips at least. You do get 3 seat belts across here, and you do have the ISOFIX anchor, so you can have 2 car seats back here as well. And there is a lot of space. I know I'm joking around, but there is great space in here. You get a little bit less headspace because of that 4-door coupe style. It starts to slant down, and that's where you see your head behind the pillar here. But hey, I'm inside, so it still works. So just before we take it out on the road, I wanted to highlight the front because this is where I see a lot of the updates in 24 and carrying over into 2025 as well. I used to own a CLA 35 in 2021. I wanted to have one of the first released models because I thought there was a lot to the car and I quite loved the vehicle, but they've really updated the feeling of the steering wheel and the controls. So there's only one thing left to do. Okay, you know, we got to take the AMGs out on the road. I say that every time, but I drive pretty well every car just because it's an important part of it. The test drive is something that some clients try to skip or forego, and I never recommend that because you never know what you're going to find on the test drive. Sometimes there's a blind spot you don't know about. Sometimes, you know, there's a feature you didn't think about, but a lot of the time, it makes you fall in love with the car. Like I was saying, they've really facelifted the interior. So same screen, same size, same seat feel, but the steering wheel is a lot more aggressive. This steering wheel is actually shared all across the AMG lines, including cars like the SL63. So this is the top AMG steering wheel. You have the branding here. You've got the dial controls as well. You can put this into a Sport Plus. In this car, you can hear the exhaust a little bit too. I'm going to go into a manual mode and let's just show you what a CLA 35 sounds like. Before you ask, yes, you do still get the downshift pops even in a 4-cylinder. They've done a fantastic job on making this vehicle a driver's car. Going through some of the features on the inside of the vehicle, a few different upholsteries, not crazy amounts, but there are 5 or 6 different options, and you can do an Artico Dynamica, which is a man-made, or you can do a full leather outfit as well. The most popular one is this. So this is the two-tone with the Alcantara style Dynamica with the red stitching. It matches the steering wheel that has that two-tone with the stitching as well. You can also do a sage. You can do a red. They've brought back that titanium gray, they call it, which is a full leather. Looks very sharp as well. And you can outfit some of the features to be a little bit more AMG specific. So you can do a racing bucket seat in this vehicle. You can do standalone options like the climate controlled seats, which is the cooling seats. You can outfit the vehicle with the Burmeister sound system. So there is a lot you can upgrade in the CLA, all the way from a 250 base all the way into a 35. Sorry, I said 35, weird. All the way from a 35 to a 45, you can really make it into a sportier race car. Very easy to maneuver. You can see my 360 camera here. Very sharp imaging as well. I'm gonna let these guys go. Let me back up a little bit more for them. But you can really see the difference in the performance of things like the cameras as well with all your parking features. You can control automatic parking. You can have different angles of the vehicle all the way around the vehicle. And something that's new is it has like a 3D imaging of the vehicle. So you can see the car here, and that's a real-time image of the road with the rock. So when I start to drive, you can see all the different driving angles. Very fun to drive. That's 302 horsepower. Great driving car. I would definitely recommend something like this if you've never had an AMG before. A couple reasons for that. It is a good price. You can get into the CLA family for, you know, in the 60s and in the 70s. Most of the AMGs, you're touching 100, even when you look at outfitting cars like the C43 sedan. With good options, in Canada, you're looking at about $99,000 or $100,000. So this is a great introduction to Mercedes-Benz as a brand, but it's also a great introduction into AMG cars. Like I said, I had one of these a few years ago in 2021, just a fun car. Ended up selling it to just another great young AMG enthusiast, and I was speaking to him last week. He's still loving the car. Actually, I saw him outside the gym and I'm like, wow, that's a really nice looking CLA 35, and it ended up being my car. So, you know, it is an enthusiast car. People are hesitant with the 4-cylinder, but don't be, especially on the CLA, because it's a light vehicle. So it drives and performs and handles very well. And it's one of the most fun cars we have without going into the crazy V8 bi-turbos. Yes, those are crazy torquey cars, but this is a well-balanced all year round car with the 4MATIC drive system as well. If you're interested in these vehicles, we have the 2025s already here. So 2025s have landed. We can outfit your own. We can custom order your spec. Let me know. It's Patrick at Mercedes-Benz Burlington. I'm your AMG specialist. I'm happy to help you spec one. I would love to take you on a test drive in one of these so you can experience what I just experienced. And if you have any other questions, please leave a comment or get in touch with us on YouTube, Instagram, in person, or on our website. Thanks again, guys.